This set is based on bar chart. In the first chart, it is given that the music cassettes buying behavior of people according to their age and their preference for different types of sales outlet in the city of foreign during the period 2010 to 14. It is assumed that nobody below the age of 10 years buys any music cassette or CD in the city. There are three different age groups: A, B, C. A is the age group in which people are greater are equal to 10 years and less than 25. In B, greater or equal to 25 but less than 45, and in age group C, people are 45 or older. In 2010, 42% people who bought cassettes or CD in the city of foreign were from age group A, that is between 10 and 25, including 10 but excluding 25. 46% were from age group B and 12% were from age group C. In the next chart, buying by outlet is given. In 2010, 2% people bought cassettes or CD from music shops, rather mailer order. 10% online stores, 18% multi-product shops, and 70% from music shops. We can check these figures for the other years as well. Now move to the questions. In the first question, it is given that if there was total of 1000 music cassettes and CD buyers in city of foreign and the number of buyers increased by 100 every year during the given period, then what was the total number of buyers of music cassettes or CDs who were from age group C during the given period, that is 2010 to 2014. In 2010, there was a total of 1000 people who bought cassettes or CDs, and out of these 12,000 people, 12% were from age group C. So the total number of people who bought cassettes and CDs in 2010 and belong to age group C was 1000 into 12% of this quantity, which means 1000 into 1.2. Similarly, in 2011, this figure was 1100, as the number of people increased by 100 into 0.11. In next year, it was 1200 into 0.15, and in 2014 it was rather 13, it was 1300 into 0.12, and in 2014 it was 1400 into 0.18. This is equal to 829. Hence option C is the correct answer. In next question, it is asking by what percent did the difference between number of buyers who bought music cassettes or CDs from mail order and from those online stores change between 2010 and 2014. Assume that the number of buyers of music cassette CD remain the same for every year during the given period. In 2010, people who bought CDs or cassette through mail order, it was 2%, and through online store it was 10%. Therefore the difference was of 8%, and the same difference in 2014 was 15 minus 5, 5%, this was 10%, as the total number of people who bought music CDs or cassette during the given period was the same. Therefore, the required percentage will be 10 minus 8 upon 8 into 100. This is 25%. Therefore, there was an increase of 25%. Hence, option D is the correct answer. Next question. It is asking which types of sales outlets manage to retain the number of its customer at the same level of for a period of 3 consecutive years in the period 2010 to 2014. As here it is talking about number, but the data given is for percentage only, therefore it is not possible to check number for any of the outlet. Hence the data given is insufficient. Consequently, D is the correct option. In the next question, it is given that in every age group, if the pattern of buying from various sales outlet show the same breakup as the one given for the total, then approximately what was the number of buyers in the age group B buying music cassette from music shops in 2010? Assume there was a total of 1000 buyers of music cassettes or CDs in 2000 in the city of Foreign, and the number of buyers increased by 100 every year during the given period. It is given that the pattern of buying from various sales outlets show the same breakup as the given for the total, which means the breakup for music of whatever quantity it is will remain as it was for the total buying from across the different age groups in 2010. It was 42 for A, 46 for B, and 12 for C. And here there was 1000 buyers in 2010, and 70% of that bought the product from online store, rather mailer, online music shops. Therefore 70% of 1000 will be 700, and 700 people were there who bought from music shop, and out of these 46% belong to age group B. Therefore the required quantity is 700 into 46 upon 100. This is equal to 322. Therefore option B is the correct answer.